Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. We are going to make a simple meal. Roasted chicken with garlic sauté vegetables. This will have your neighbors wondering what's cooking. Now let's get started. First things first, we're giving our chicken a nice proper wash. You know, in a Caribbean kitchen, we don't play when it comes to cleaning our meat. Everything has to be fresh and ready before the magic starts. Add your powder seasoning to a bowl. Paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, pimento, all-purpose seasoning. A list of ingredients will be in the description box below. Mix all ingredients. Pat meat dry. Now look at this beauty. Add drops of cooking oil. This helps to adhere the seasoning. Time to wake it up with our magic ingredients. Make sure you season underneath the skin too. That's where all that delicious flavor hides. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. Gently massage it in. Every little corner deserves some love. Add seasoning into the cavity of the chicken. Wrap and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Preheat oven 450 degrees. Now we are going to add to oven. We are starting off at 425, 450 degrees for 15-20 minutes. After 15 minutes, pull from oven. Pour melted butter over chicken. This method enhances flavor and add moisture. Gives it a crispy golden skin and helps with adhesions of spices. Baste regularly to help keep the exterior moist. After 1.5 hours chicken is done, avoid over drying. We are going to roast some vegetables 5 to 10 minutes. Potato, bell pepper, carrot, onion, lemon. Look at that color. Golden brown, crispy skin and juicy on the inside. Somebody please pass me a plate before I lose all my manners. Now add your roasted vegetables. And just look at these vegetables, tender, flavorful. One quick meal ready to be served. Now that is what I'm talking about. Tender, juicy, perfectly seasoned and packed with flavor. From the very first bite to the last. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.